Hello, I welcome you today. Everyone needs this prosperity, like getting good luck, and maybe you can't afford to buy a soap that is made with so many formulas, but this is what can help you, right? This is a single hand that can help you. This Ember if you are using it, you'll be sure it will help you with abundance and good luck. This is called Abros leaf, Shashangene leaf. Okay, this Shashangene leaf is like a vine. You see the vine. Now you have to be careful about harvesting it because there's another species that is used for cutting cord, like breaking the cord of an enemy. But that one will be is used with a mirror. But this is a seed, a leaf, a vine. Now this vine has a seed, and this is the seed. This is crab's eye. In Igbo, it is called Oboyabusu. It is called Gunjan seed. It is called Shashangene seed. It is also called crab's eye. This seed is used for protection. You can, anytime you want to travel, you can put 7 of these on your body to avoid accidents, to avoid ill karmas, or like any evil thing that can happen on the road. If you are going to a place that you could experience gunshots, there's a number of these you will have to swallow. But you mustn't go to toilet and you won't eat anything red oil. But that will be a different thing. Why I'm showing you this is to be able to identify the leaf. But for this video is about this leaf. For this Ember month, we all need luck from people in our endeavors and things we do. This Abros leaf, Gunjan leaf, Chachangene leaf will enliven your life and bring you luck and light. Now, how you do this? You go and get this leaf, either the dried one or the fresh one. If you get the fresh one, it's also good if you can lick this. How you do this is in twos. One, get this leaf. You get 7 seeds of alligator pepper, or you can put a whole bulb of alligator pepper in a mortar. You pound it very well. You get your black soap or Lux soap, as the case may be. But if you must use an industrial soap, you have to melt it over a pot to become liquid so that you can be able to mix with this very well. So once you get the seed of alligator pepper pounded very well, you add this. If it's a fresh one, you pound it to grind it. You can grind it, you can pound it. As you're pounding this, you can light your yellow candle or green candle, okay, so that it can be adding energy to the work. Once you've done this, you get your black soap, local soap, or the soap of your choice you've used. You've melted this so that it can be able to mix with this one you've pounded. Then you pound it with the soap very well. This is one herb. But real spiritual soaps has this in it. It has licorice, which is Iloma, awole leaf. It has so many other leaves in it. It has even some other elements I cannot mention. All right. So that's why it makes some spiritual soap more powerful to cleanse, to bring luck in a space of little time. But for this, you add this. You pound it very well with the alligator pepper. You allow the candle to burn down completely. Once the candle burns down completely, you put this in a white can. A white can. A white can. Remember that. So once you put this in a white can, you get this. If you're in a country where they sell bags, this is called ini. Ini. This is very powerful anti witchcraft bark. It's called inyi, or in Yoruba it is called epuebo. All right, it's more like anunebe, but this is not anunebe, but it destroys witches. So why I'm bringing this for you is because some soaps you make might be polluted by witches after a little work. All right, now you get this. You take a little of it, you grind it, you grind this, or you can cut a little and put it where you keep that your soap. But if you can't find this to keep where you keep your soap, you get a little, you grind it in powder, then you use it and pound this abrus leaf, Sachangene leaf. You pound this very well. When you pound this very well, you'll be using it to bath. But what this will do for you is that it will never, any witch that crosses to pollute your soap will die. Is a law, right? Any witch or whatever spirit that wants to come and pollute the soap, this very with this Sachangene, the spirit or the person or the witch will die. No pity. As you are using this, you are sure this will be bringing you abundance luck. But note, for whatever you are using this for, must not be consumed. So if you want to use it for another video I will do about this abrus seed, what you can do is only take this back and keep it beside where that formula is, but never consume it. Never ever consume it. If you sense you've shaked somebody who is possessed with negative energies, you can take a powder of this and rub on your palm when going out. As this ember month is approaching, so many evil stuff are happening. People are planning, are doing so many rituals, waiting for people to come back so that they can test their voodoo. All right, I want you to be safe still. So you know that this is a very powerful bark, and it helps to ward off witches when you use it with another element, which I will do in another video. If you can't find this abrus seed, you want to ward off witches, it will come in another video. But you know that this works perfectly like any magical soap or any spiritual soap you can ever find. This abrus seed, all right, is like a vine. It's called Sachangene seed, gunjan leaf, crab's leaf, and there are and others. If you know other names, it is called like the botanical name. You can put the gunjan seed is a botanical, gunjan leaf is a botanical. You can put it on the comment section for those in another countries who don't know the names in Igbo or in English to be able to find it in their own country. So you know that it works. So you stay blessed for more coming your way. I'm your very good guy, Spiritual Jude.